Hi everyone, this is Massimo and today's project will be about packaging for a watch. Thanks to a friend of mine, I had the occasion to have this watch discounted. The only downside was that I didn't have any packaging. Being this a present for a family member, I decided to create the packaging by myself using my 3D printer. I started by designing a sort of watch holder made by two skulls fused together because this family member loves skulls and everything related to skulls. I fired up ZBrush. In roughly 3 hours I finished my project. After some really precise measuring and scaling,
Hickory dickory dock,
I was ready to print. As soon as it was finished, I tested with my personal watch. Luckily enough was everything okay. So next step was to do the outside box. I plan to do these two boxes, one inside the other. I started modeling. I added some decorations, obviously Pascal. After finishing, I tested how long was the print, roughly, and it turned out 13 hours. So to me it was too much because I have to finish this project before going to holiday. So I decided to dismantle this box into different phases in order to print them all together in 2 hours. After that, I glued them together with some super glue. And then I printed the outside box with vase mold from Bruja, which means no infill at all, just the outside of the box. After all this process were done, I assembled the package and tested if everything was fitting together. Here you can see the final result with all the package together and how it's assembled. Really happy with this project. I think it turns out really well. I hope it will be a really good present for him, and as a present for all of you, I will leave the STL file of all these objects down in the description so you can download them, modify them, do whatever you want. And if you like these videos, if you like this process of me creating something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you don't, please leave me a comment down below on how I can improve my content. Thanks for watching, see you next time.